Hi, and welcome to this Monday morning update. The time of recording, the markets are down a little bit, but not as much as we thought they would be at the opening. Uh, and This has been a pattern now. We've been observing for the last uh, many weeks that on Friday, US markets closed down, SGS Nifty shows like a big fall, but on Monday we are sort of not as bad as the SGS Nifty reflects. So maybe just don't get too worked up on weekends looking at what the SGX is doing. So with that, let's get on to the Monday market update and what uh, markets did last week. So not a bad week for markets last week at all. Uh, yeah. So values had a good week last, followed by small caps, uh, with quality being a laggard. Year to date, but value is now down about 2%, and it's the combination of momentum and low volatility which is doing well. Small caps on the size factor still down quite a bit, about 13%. The overall market is just about flat, which is pretty good considering the global circumstances and the global fears that we have. In terms of trends, the value's gone back into an uptrend after that small whipsaw last week, and rest of the other factors, except for this should actually be 6 and 1, not 5 and 2. So small cap is down. The rest, all of the other factors are up. With that, let's get into the sectors. Sectorally, media and realty are not really large sectors, but they did well. They don't drive the market indexes so much. But metal IT have had a good week, driven maybe by the rupee depreciation. The rupees just blasted past 82 again also. So, once it's broken 80, it's on its own path. The rest of the other sectors were flat, and you can see the risk on kind of environment where the defense is like FMCG was down. In terms of sector performance, we can see that IT is the only one that's below. I think it's a little hard to see, but I'll just tell you. So IT is below, energy is below, and realty is below. Rest all of the other sectors are up. So quite broad. This rally is quite broad. Here we had the factor all-weather dashboard, a bit of a risk off as we updated you last week. So we're about 57 in risk on and about 33 in risk off. And that's the way it is. Maybe by the end of the month, we'll have a more clear trend on what's going to happen for the last 2 months. But here we are now. And then been that kind of a year on and off after a lovely uptrend post June 2020. So this kind of a choppy period is not unexpected. And with that, that's the end of today's video. So this is the standard disclaimer that this is not investment advice. It's purely for educational purposes. And please consult an investment advisor before investing. And you can follow me on Twitter at Anish Daily at QEDCap. You can visit us at QEDCap.com. We're going to update the website with all the letters and the blogs and everything over the next couple of weeks. So, keep an eye out on that. And as usual, like, subscribe, and follow our YouTube channel. If you have any queries, any questions, please write into us and we will try and cover them in our next following videos. And in the Thursday videos, we are covering what is quantitative investing. So keep watching those also. That will give you a good idea in terms of it's a very broad term. So we're trying to sort of break it up and deconstruct it for you. So with that, see you again next week. And with that, stay safe. And we hope you have a profitable week. See you.